Seal It Green has this amazing Renew cleaner. This is an all-purpose cleaner. This is great for vinyl siding, cement, metal, shutters, wood, so many different things you can use this for. Now this is a concentrate. So it's 1 part of this cleaner to 5 parts water. So you can put this into a cup, a bucket, you can put it into a sprayer, pressurized sprayer, whatever you want to use it, however much surface you have. So I did 1 part to 5 parts, and I'm just doing a small section just to kind of show you how easy it is to use. Use something non-abrasive if you're going to be doing it on your vinyl siding or this aluminum siding. So it's so easy to use. You literally just mix it as you would any all-purpose cleaner because it's a concentrate, and it's that simple. This is going to help seal and protect. This is going to help to restore the color. This is going to help to protect it from sun damage. It's going to help clean it. You're going to have so much going on here. So easy to use. Now, of course, it's not feasible to do a whole house with a little sponge like I'm doing right now, but just to show you how easy it is, when you're doing the whole house, just put it into the pump sprayer so that you can pressurize and the pump and just spray the whole house with this, and you are going to have a renewed look. It's going to be sealed, coated, protected, super easy to do. Also on wood, could be on your fence, picnic table, whatever it might be. But so many things that you could use this on, so many types of surfaces and materials. Seriously, we're talking from cement. This is going to help to take out maybe any oil stains and things of that sort. Anything to even siding to help get off that like chalkiness look and color. So this is going to dry pretty quick. It's very hot and sunny out right now, but there is already a noticeable difference between what I just used it on and what I didn't. And I'm pretty impressed with this, and I've been using this on all sorts of surfaces, so highly recommend it. Thanks to the brand for providing it for me.